It's a moment many of us know all too well. You're standing at the pharmacy counter, or maybe sitting at your kitchen table, looking at a bill for a prescription you need, and as you stare at the number, a single frustrating thought echoes in your mind. How can medicine be this expensive? It's a question that cuts across all walks of life, a shared experience in a healthcare system that often feels impossibly complex and overwhelmingly costly. For years, Americans have been navigating a maze of insurance plans, deductibles, and co-pays, all while searching for affordable access to essential medications. The conversation around lowering drug prices is a constant in our national dialogue, filled with complex policy debates and promises from all sides. It's a landscape that can leave anyone feeling powerless. But what if there was a new tool, backed by the US government, designed to cut through some of that noise? Recently, a .gov website just made prescription drugs way cheaper for some people, and it's causing a stir, yet it seems almost nobody is talking about it in detail. The site is called TrumpRx.gov, and its sudden appearance has sparked a wave of curiosity, hope, and a healthy dose of skepticism. The moment you hear about it, the questions start piling up. Is this for real? Is it a legitimate government program or something else entirely? How exactly does a website lower drug prices? And, perhaps, the most important question of all, who can actually benefit from this, and is it a solution that could work for you or your family? These are the critical questions that need clear, unbiased answers. That's exactly what we're going to do today. In this video, I'm going to cut through the speculation and give you a straightforward, non-partisan breakdown of TrumpRx.gov. We'll explore what it is, and just as importantly, what it isn't. I'll walk you step by step through how it works, discuss the core reasons why a tool like this matters in the first place, and identify who stands to gain the most from using it. We'll also cover common questions, safety tips to keep in mind, and look at some realistic savings scenarios. My goal is to give you all the information you need to make an informed decision for yourself, without any political spin. By the end of this video, you'll understand this new tool inside and out. So, if you've ever felt the sting of high prescription costs, this is for you. Let's get into it. What is TrumpRx.gov? 050 2.20. So, what exactly is TrumpRx.gov? Let's start with the most important detail, which is right there in the name. The .gov domain tells you this is an official website operated by the United States government, specifically launched by the Department of Health and Human Services. This isn't a private company or a commercial venture, it's a public resource. That distinction is crucial because it means the site's primary goal is to provide information and access, not to sell a product or generate profit. It's a layer of trust and security you won't find on many other websites offering medication discounts. Now, to really understand what it is, it's helpful to clarify what it is. First, it is not a typical prescription discount card program. While many commercial discount cards negotiate their own rates with pharmacies, TrumpRx.gov acts more like a directory. It gathers and displays pricing information from various existing programs and manufacturers, giving you a centralized place to compare them. You don't sign up for a TrumpRx card. Second, it is not a pharmacy. You cannot order or fill a prescription directly on the website. It doesn't stock medications, handle payments, or ship anything to your door. Think of it as a powerful search engine for medication prices, not an online drugstore. And third, it is absolutely not health insurance. It doesn't have a network of doctors, cover hospital visits, or satisfy the requirements for health coverage. It's a supplemental tool focused exclusively on reducing the out-of-pocket cost of prescription drugs. So, what is it then? Simply put, TrumpRx.gov is a government-backed price transparency portal. Its purpose is to pull back the curtain on prescription drug pricing and serve as a centralized hub. It directs Americans, especially those paying with cash, or who are uninsured or underinsured, to various avenues for finding lower prices. Think of it as a gateway to savings information. It connects you to manufacturer assistance programs, real-time pharmacy pricing, and other resources that can make your medications more affordable. It's a starting point for your research, designed to empower you with the information you need before you even step foot in a pharmacy. How does it work? Here's how TrumpRx.gov works step by step. You visit the website, you search for a prescription drug, the site shows available discounted pricing options, you're then directed to the manufacturer, partner program, or approved provider offering that price. Important. You usually don't need insurance. Many offers are cash pay prices. Prices can vary depending on the drug and supplier, so instead of guessing or paying full retail price, the site helps you compare and access lower-cost options. Why is this a big deal? Prescription drug prices in the US are among the highest in the world. For years, Americans have paid more than other countries, more than necessary, and often without transparency. TrumpRxvs is positioned as a way to increase price visibility, reduce middlemen, and push pricing closer to global reference levels. That's why this site is being talked about so much, especially by people who don't have insurance, have high deductibles, or rely on long-term medications. So, who actually benefits most from using a tool like TrumpRx.gov? Let's be clear. This site is not for everyone, and its usefulness really depends on your personal situation. It's not a magic bullet for high drug costs, but it can be an incredibly powerful resource for specific groups of people. Think of it less as a replacement for insurance and more as a specialized tool for price discovery. So, let's break down who is most likely to find significant savings. You are most likely to benefit if you fall into one of these categories. First, uninsured patients. If you don't have health insurance, you're typically exposed to the full, undiscounted retail price of medications, which can be incredibly high and unpredictable. This website gives you a direct line of sight to lower prices offered through various discount card programs, potentially saving you hundreds of dollars. It provides a crucial layer of price transparency that simply doesn't exist when you walk into a pharmacy without coverage. Next, people paying with cash for their prescriptions. This group includes not only the uninsured, but also those with high deductible health plans. If you have a deductible of several $1,000s, you're effectively a cash payer for your medications until you meet it. Using this site to find a coupon price can often be cheaper than using your insurance and paying the plan's negotiated rate. Also, patients using brand name or specialty drugs. These are often the most expensive medications on the market. Even with good insurance, copays can be substantial. The discount programs and manufacturer coupons, aggregated by the site, are frequently targeted at these high-cost drugs, making it a vital resource for managing the expense of chronic or complex conditions. And finally, anyone struggling with high monthly medication costs. If your regular prescription budget is straining your finances, it is always worth a few minutes to comparison shop. Even a savings of $20 or $30 per prescription can add up to significant annual relief. On the other hand, you'll likely see less impact if your insurance already covers your medications at a very low cost. If you have a great plan with low fixed copays, say $0 to $10 for your generic drugs, it's highly unlikely that a discount card will beat that price. Your insurance is already doing its job effectively. Or, if your specific insurance plan doesn't allow external discount pricing to be used, some plans have rules that prevent you from using a discount card of your insurance. It's one or the other. So again, this is not a replacement for comprehensive health insurance. It's a pricing alternative and a comparison tool. The key is to know your options and use every tool available to find the best possible price for your specific needs. Common questions and misunderstandings, 6:30, 7:30. Let's clear up some common confusion. Is TrumpRxgov a pharmacy? No. Is it health insurance? Also no. Is it only political? While the name is political, the function is practical, lowering access barriers to drug pricing. Is it guaranteed cheaper every time? No, but it offers additional options you might not see elsewhere. Final thoughts. 7:30, 8:1. TrumpRxgov isn't magic, but it is another tool, and when it comes to prescription drugs, having more tools means having more power as a patient. If you or someone you know struggles with medication costs in the US, this is definitely a website worth checking out. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more explainer content, and comment below. Would you use TrumpRx.gov?